Confused about whether that Icici credit card offer is actually a good deal? Let's break it down in 90 seconds. First, consider the rewards. Are you a frequent flyer, a shopaholic, or someone who dines out often? Icici offers cards tailored to different spending habits, so figure out which one aligns with your lifestyle for maximum reward points. Look beyond the headline reward rate. A card offering for reward points per 100 rupees spent on flights might be better than one offering 1 point per 100 rupees on everything if you travel a lot. Crunch the numbers based on your typical monthly spending. Next, fees are crucial. Some cards have high annual fees, while others are lifetime free. Weigh the annual fee against the rewards you expect to earn. High rewards are useless if eaten away by hefty fees. Also, beware of late payment and cash advance fees. Understand the interest rate or APR. If you don't pay your balance in full each month, interest charges can quickly negate any rewards. Icici's interest rates are usually comparable to other banks, but it's always smart to compare. Finally, consider lifestyle benefits. Some Icici cards offer perks like airport lounge access, dining discounts, or even travel insurance. Do these benefits add genuine value to your life? If not, don't let them sway your decision. To find the perfect card, visit the Icici Bank website. Read all the small print, terms and condition is must, compare benefits. Consider your spending habits, calculate rewards against fees, and factor in lifestyle perks. Ultimately, the worth of an Icici credit card depends on your individual needs and spending habits. Now you have the tools to make an informed decision.